Hello, welcome to Eden Hope Academy. We are on art, cycle 1, jewelry, and we are in week 20. So in your box today, you're going to have noodles and tin foil and cardstock paper and glitter. Lots and lots of glitter, so be prepared to make a mess. All right, so what your students are going to do is they're going to decide what type of jewelry they would like to make. So boys had arm guards that went on their whole arms. So you can take scissors or tape from your supply box and they can tape it together. You might need the blue tape or the masking tape for this if their arms are larger than the paper, or they can go this way with the paper. So from your supply box, you're going to need scissors, glue, paint, lots of paint brushes, staples, and tape. And so first they're going to measure the size that they want. They might want just cuffs, so they might just want halves, and just cut the paper down this way and make a cuff out of it, so it just goes around like a bracelet. Or if for boys, they might want full arm guards. And once they've cut the paper into the size that they want, then they're going to glue macaroni on it in some way. And so they're just going to make a design out of the noodles and really emphasize the design aspect of it so that they are purposeful in what they're doing. And then they're going, once it's glued on and they blow it for a few seconds and it's pretty much stable and it's going to move a little bit, so that's okay. Then they're going to put tin foil on top gently, and when they put the tin foil on, it is going to wiggle a little bit. So just tell them that to begin with so no one freaks out. And you can choose which side of the tin foil they want. Do they want the shiny side or the duller side? And then they're gonna gently put it on, and they're going to make a relief out of it. And they made a couple of reliefs so far, but they're just gonna gently do it. Don't let them poke that spaghetti through or the noodles through if they can help it. And then once they're done with that, they still have not bent their design yet. They're gonna do that after it's dried at home. And then they're going to take some paint and kind of sprinkle the paint on, and then they're gonna put some glitter on to make it really shiny. Now, the lesson in this is that these were civilized communities, and as civilized communities, the women wore jewelry, the men had arm cuffs, they had weaponry that was fairly advanced, they had battling rams and catapults, they had all kinds of ways to war after each other. They also had great farming techniques. They had yoke for oxen, they could do pottery. There was so much in these cultures going on, and I think that's something that we forget in our modern day society, that they had so much going on. And the artisans at the time were amazing. They made such detailed artwork, and they were so clearly genius with their crafts. And that's one of the things that we can really respect about these ancient cultures, are the jewelry that they made and the things that they would wear that they made. And so that's what we're really going into this week. And so when you do this with your children, just with your students, just remember to have them go gentle with the aluminum foil. It is going to slide a little bit, and then kind of pat the glue on so that they're not moving it again, and then sprinkle the glitter on top. And when it dries a little bit, then they'll be able to wear their jewelry so that say this is half, so it'll be like an armband, or maybe they can make little coins out of it. So if they were to make coins, they could use just one noodle or two noodles and make a circle and then cover it with tin foil. So really give them some examples of things that they can do and let them go wild with it. And we'll definitely add some examples right below here. All right, you are doing a fantastic job. We are so grateful for everything that you do. Thank you.